All right, party people. I did not record an intro for day one of practice on Possum Kingdom for the Bassmaster Kayak Series Tournament, but here's a fun clip of me standing in my Hobie Vantage seat. So if anyone ever questions the stability of the Hobie PA14, feel free to share this with them. So much fun. But practice was tough, y'all. Big time tough. I caught one fish all day. I didn't get on the water until about noon on Thursday because I had some work things to take care of that morning. Phone calls, emails, real life stuff. Got on the water. I had fished for hours before I got to this point. I caught one fish right before I got off the water, called it a day, and decided to come up with a different game plan for day two of practice. So stick around and see how that goes.
Baby. Come here.
This was the only fish I caught all day on day one of practice. And I'm talking about I covered miles and miles of water on the south end of the lake.
Probably 17.
It was a tough day for day one of practice.
Looks like he was gonna jump.
Morning, everybody. It's day two of practice for the Bassmaster Kayak Series on Possum Kingdom. I'm out fishing a little bit this morning. Hoping we can get a couple more bites today than what we got yesterday. Decided to come up to the north end of the lake where I actually really like to fish. See if maybe we can get into a couple. I don't know if I'll fish up here during the tournament or not, but if I can get a couple of bites that are decent, we may come up here and see what that's all about. But practice has been really tough. They've had some kind of post-frontal conditions, and heard a few people are catching them good, and then I've heard a lot of people are just not catching anything at all. So hoping that maybe can get a little something different figured out today. We will see.
I did not get the north end of the lake figured out, so immediately leave, load up, and head to the south end of the lake.
That was right. Big one. Maybe 16 or so.
Notice the immediate over-the-shoulder check to see who saw me catch that fish, because I had just passed a couple of kayak anglers going into that cove. I did not want them to see me.
We should not be fishing that. Alright. Here we go. going to leave this spot alone now. I know what they're doing.
You guys are going to have to go watch
When it spawned out
tournament
too.
video
Dang.
because I'm almost 95% positive this is the exact same fish that I lost right off the bat first thing in the morning on tournament day. I've posted that video on social media, but you should go look at it and I'll put it in the full tournament video. Let's talk about kayak motors for just a second. I was recently given the opportunity to test the newly released NK180 Pro before it hit the market. So if you've been following me for a little while, you know that I started out in a native running a bow mount trolling motor. And then I upgraded to the Hobie, which had an NK180, the original NK180. And then I've been testing the new NK180 Pro for probably like the last 2 months before it launched to the public. And y'all, this motor is amazing. It's faster, it's more efficient, better on battery life, more distance. I mean, I can cruise at a solid, like this is a little over 5 miles an hour on the NK180 Pro. They're hands down one of the best kayak motor companies that I've ever dealt with. So I really do highly recommend them. Use them before I was ever even part of their team. If you have any questions, feel free to like drop a comment, send me a message or whatever, and I'm happy to try and help you. But I hope that you guys find like this clip useful because that thing just absolutely gets it.
Sliding around back behind
Here's a little cameo by Matt Scotch to round out the day with a little Doc Karen story for
I went
us.
underneath the walkways and this like Karen was like, "Do you see him? Do you see what he just did? He went under the walkways." Like, and the guy like she was yelling at on the dock. He was like, "I saw him."
Why
Like,
does
you
it
can't
matter?
fucking do anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm just fishing back here.
Well, party people, that is the end of my practice video for Possum
I just
Kingdom.
came. I'm gonna go back here.
No.
It's not my best work, y'all, but it is what it
Yeah.
is. Stay tuned for the tournament video, and I hope y'all enjoyed
the
it.
wind's picked up out there.
Oh yes.
I mean, like,
It's brutal.
yeah, it's gonna be something else. So hopefully, we can find a place to get out of the wind tomorrow.
All these little marinas are gonna be good. It's just